We're now outside the wall of the old town. That's the Pili Gate. We're outside.
And then my daughter, good one.
There's a lot of water. Look, you can drink any water. We're going to Fort Lovrijenac or St. Lawrence Fortress. It's just a few minutes walk from the Pili Gate. Fort Lovrijenac, by the way, is called the Red Keep on Game of Thrones, and one of the scenes was shot exactly here. Of here. Those are Game of Thrones tour, but we're doing our DIY Game of Thrones tour ourselves. Game of Thrones tour in Dubrovnik, Croatia is very popular. There's the English version as well as the Russian version of the tour. Giant cactus. To enter this fortress, we just have to present the ticket to the walls of Dubrovnik that we used earlier. If you have a ticket, Old Town wall ticket, then you can come here for free. Sightseeing is free. And your ticket is gonna be scanned over there. There. So here we are. A scene in Game of Thrones was also taken here. It was filmed here. One of the locations. From here you get an amazing view of the old town in Dubrovnik. That's the old town.